Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Jim from Nest DC. I'm here to tell you why you should vote for us for the #1 property management company in DC.
Vote for Nest DC and the DC City Paper Readers Poll, and we'll send $5 to one of 6 awesome local charities.
DC Public Library,
Girl Scouts,
Casey Trees,
Whitman Walker,
District Alliance for Safe Housing,
the Washington Animal Rescue League.
A vote for Nest is a vote for DC.
Oh, look, it's the Nest bird. You've probably seen him all around town. We put this bird on everything.
Put a bird on it.
Put a bird on it.
Put
A bird.
On it.
A vote for Nest is a vote for DC. We're a company that really, really cares.
birds everywhere.